So I'm not a good YouTuber. This is probably gonna be, this is my first video on this account. What I'm just trying to do is, I'm hoping that this video actually blows up a little bit because I'm trying to find rubber keycaps. I don't know what ones. I'm gonna be doing a lot of research, but I want black rubber keycaps that shine through the color, obviously. This is my keyboard, and I like my colors, you know. Let's turn it off real quick. It's a keycap remover. I just want some nice rubber keycaps because they're super comfortable. And I'm not just a Fortnite player like everybody, because when Fortnite players, what they do, they either want the Donkey 1-2 Mini, the Apex Pro, or a Razer keyboard. All are probably good keyboards, but I like Alienware a lot. I love it, not the headset. I like the headset, I don't like the mic. I like Blue Yeti. That's what I'm going to get. I don't have it yet. My setup is pretty much complete. New desk maybe when I move. We don't have room yet. This is my computer room, you know. But when we move, which is soon, I'm pretty sure, I wanted a new desk, which might be hard to pay for, and another monitor. If I start streaming, I might not. I'm not like a good player like that. I play Fortnite, yes, not very good at it. Play Modern Warfare, pretty good at that. It's like, but I'm looking for rubber keycaps right now. 4 out of 5. I need these like this, right here. But like, I don't want no really bad ones. I don't want to get scammed. I'm on Amazon. Like, I might even have, I'm just going to watch YouTube videos. I think that's what I'm going to do. But if anybody has any suggestions, please tell me. See it? There, the color is black. Oh, right there. That looks nice. What is this? What is this? Oh, this might be nice. Yeah, color shines through, but that comes from the sides. I want it from the middle, too. Nope, 60%. That's the thing. I don't want that. I'm not going to cover the whole thing, though. I might just have extras. Ooh, I kind of might need these one day if I start streaming. But my mic does cancel out that. What the heck? This is like one of my first keyboards. I had something like this. That was nice. Minecraft days. United States. What are you doing? Right here. Bam. These might be it. Are these rubber? So, polar black. I might have to look them up. This is a short video. Yes, it was 3 minutes, and I might have to trim some down, edit. But thank you for watching. Nobody probably watched. That's okay though. That's okay. Suggestions should get. Please do. People from school don't make fun of me for this. It's okay. It's okay. I'm gonna try working hard. I'm gonna try to become a real YouTuber because I like it. That's not gonna be my career, obviously. Real job, yes. I don't spend all my time on this video game, obviously. But I like doing this YouTube stuff. I could go do skateboard, scooter stuff like that. Maybe just learning how to. I did have a dream of me doing wheelies all day because I've been trying to learn how to do wheelies, and I kind of got it. Kinda. Thank you for watching. Bye. Bye. I sound like Stampy. You know? Everybody used to watch Stampy. I hate Stampy. So, yeah, bye. So.